Hi YouTube. In previous video I have shown you guys how to create a Windows Form application project. Now in this video we will be interacting with the forms, and I'll show you we will create a basic form in which user enter its details, and it will go to the database, and we can fetch that the user enter details from database, and we can edit, delete, and we can update it, we can edit it, and we can delete that detail. So let's get started, guys. Okay, now in front of me there's a Windows form. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to toolbox, and I'm going to type a text box. So what the first thing we need is that the user that we want user to enter its name. So obviously user will enter in his name in a text box. Like, I'm creating this text box for first name, and now I want user to enter his or her email. So this creating this text box for email, and okay, and this text box for the password. And I wanted a radio button for male and female. Like, there are two genders of one is male. So basically this form is for the customer information. So yeah, radio button. Yeah, I'll be needing two radio buttons, and I guess we will be needing a combo box to select the country. Like, I wanted to select the country from where I belong, so I'll be needing a combo box. Now I'm going to need two button. So before designing a database or design something, first we design the interface, and after that we go with the other things. Like this button I'm going to use for submit, and I'm going to change some properties. So I'm going to name this button as submit. I'm going to name this over here, right, CBO COUNTRY. Why I'm writing like this? Because I have to enter country name, like, so that's why I have wrote it down here, CBO country. I'm going to write here in the text field, whatever you write in the text field, like this is written here radio button. So whatever you're going to write in the text field, it will visible. Like, I'm going to write here male. Now as you can see, it will change to the text has changed to the male. And same thing, I go with the radio button too, which I'm going to write a female. And now I have to change that. I have to change the name. I'm going to write RDO female, which when why I'm writing this, because it will help me whenever when I'm writing the code, because I know that this radio button belongs to the female. So I'll explain it to you later more clearly, that why I'm doing like this. And I'm going to, so we don't need the text, because user will give during the runtime. So just change it, and for the for the input we write txt email, because this text box is for the email, and this is for the password. And this is for the first name. So I'll be needing a label which tells us that which for example, that this is for the first name. I'll be needing 123, and one more label. Okay, now I'm going to arrange it. Okay, over here I'm going to, in the text of the label, I'm going to write name, and over here I'm going to write password, and in third label I'm going to write email, and over the fourth label 4 I'm going to write country. Okay, we are almost ready. Now I'm just have to yes. Okay, so the interface part is done, and in the next phase we will be looking at the coding, and we will also be connecting with the database. So for the database you need Microsoft Management Studio. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you do not understand anything, just comment it down below, and stay classy guys.